Customer said Sam forgot the passcode on his iPhone and they disabled it. I said, no worries, I got you. But because of the case, I couldn't press the button. Now I'm gonna show you the phone disabled. It says connect to iTunes. But check this out. Look, how gross is this? You didn't see nothing yet. If I can open this case, which I will show you on this phone, finally. Now, how gross is this? Like, how gross is this? How would you hear something from this phone? Look at that. This is so gross. I'm going to unlock this phone, clean this case and this phone because I cannot even touch it. This button doesn't work at all because of this dirt. And you have to use these buttons to make this work. How do you use your phone like this? Like, you never wonder what's inside your case? Look, you can't even hear anything from this. This is not even coming off. Like, I wonder some people, like, how they live. How is their house look? Whole new world. Look at that already. See, so much change. That's all you have to do. Look at this. See, you cannot even click on that one. And you have to use that button to fix this disable problem, which I will show you in the video. All this dirt. Nope. Then I pressed too much. I was calling the emergency. I have to make this button work somehow, and it's not clicking, so just gonna go inside deep, clean this dirt until this clicks. I need at least to make it work a little bit. It's better now. It looks like this button doesn't work because of the case. I might have to open the whole phone and lose one of the screws right here so I can press this button. For me to unlock this phone, I have to press this button. Unfortunately, Apple, you suck. Alright, let's open this. Now I have to remove the battery so I can lose the screw right here and there so this can click. Otherwise, we cannot unlock this phone. I'm trying not to change whole flex cable. Let's loosen this screw. Not too much. Now we can remove. This is better. But I will do this part too a little bit. And this one too. Let's see what's under here. Apple hidden screw. Apple didn't want you to know this. Hehe, it's working now. You hear the click, right? Let's close the phone and unlock this disabled iPhone. I put the phone back together, but still disabled. We're gonna unlock this one now. Connect your USB cable. Press and release volume up button, press and release volume down button, press and hold the power button until you see the iTunes logo appears. Once you see it, release your finger. This is what you have to see it. Open iTunes on your PC. Connect your USB cable. Restore and update. Is the screen protector bothering you? Because it bothers me. So I'm gonna replace this too. Look at that. Time to clean this gross case. Look at that. See what that is? Look at the DNA. I don't want to do it. At the same time, I cannot let it go like this. If I do a job, I have to make it nice and clean. Look at this. Ew. gets worse and worse. How often do you change your case? Comment below. And how many cases do you own? Look at this cross case. Like I wouldn't even bring near my ear with this case. This was white color, probably turned yellow. They never remove it. The moment you all have been waiting. Your phone is ready, sir. Look at that now. Can I get a wow? It's like a new phone. Let's restart. And this is the result. Of course, you want to see the case? Look at that. And this is the front. And this. No more junk inside. That's how we do it.
Let's go. Yeah. I'm like an addict, do I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it, fuse like a magnet. Lose, won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket. I ain't playing, got a weird mind. If you work 8 hours, I'ma work 9. If the shit tastes sour, you should taste mine. I'ma stay in power for a long time. Get up, nah, I ain't a quitter. Toss me the ball, I'm a really big hitter. Big picture, I'm a straight killer. Rising the song to the highest bidder. Got juice, got gas, I'ma move fast. New shoes, new tracks, like who's that? I'm new, come back, better than last. Yeah, it's a new me, never gonna look back. Never gonna look back. Cause damn, I was built to last. You move slow and I move fast. And that's facts. Only I can make a change. Slowly take a step to